as series of explosions once again hit Lebanon. First an instance that was reported, nearly 9 people have lost their lives. Another wave of detonations that happened that has claimed the life of over 20 people and more than 450 who have been left injured after handheld radios and walkie-talkies also exploded in multiple parts of the country. The highly sophisticated attacks are coming after suspected Israeli attack targeting pagers used by a group for communication between its members of the Hezbollah. Let's in the meantime talk about the UNSC here, because the United Nations has also called for an emergency meeting over these pager blasts that has happened in Lebanon. Let's in the meantime focus and get an update from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us this morning. Good morning, Pradeep. There have been several waves of explosions that have been reported all over Lebanon. Iranian ambassador also being injured. The UNSC meanwhile seems to be worried and concerned that it may lead to escalation of tensions, especially in West Asia.
Yes, Amita, you are absolutely right. Everybody seems to be concerned with this synchronized, spontaneous and sophisticated pager attack. And that's one of the reasons that United Nations Security Council is going to meet on Friday. And this was announced by the Slovenian ambassador, who is also the president of the 15-member council. And it was Algeria on behalf of Arab world. They had asked for this meeting. Even the Secretary General of United Nations, Antonio Guterres, has also expressed concern over this. He said that such objects of public use can't be weaponized, and this is not a good thing because it will lead to the escalation of the situation. Already we have seen that during the last few months that several efforts are being made to de-escalate situation, especially to ensure that the bombarding of the Gaza Strip should stop, and they are trying to ensure that once again there is a ceasefire in the region. But this pager attack is further going to escalate, because already we have seen the certain statements coming from different quarters in Lebanon where the Hezbollah people are going to avenge this attack. And they have even threatened to target Israel. They are saying that they will be ensuring that Israel will have to pay the price for that. So that's one of the reasons that everybody is now concerned. Let's see what will really come out in the meeting. But yes, it was one of the most deadly attacks, which
of course, this is something that it is now being touted to be a new kind of warfare that is now taking place. As far as something like this happening, this has never happened or ever been heard or been seen before. As far as pagers exploding, walkie-talkies exploding, and this has been reported in waves across Lebanon. Thank you very much, Pradeep, for joining in. While we head into a short break, the morning news continues on the other side as well.